In this video, we will show you how to replace your blower motor assembly on this Kia Forte Koup. This will be located under your passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We'll have to safely make our way underneath the passenger side dash. Under this area, we have a clear view of the blower motor. Before we start dislodging the wiring harness, we're going to go ahead and remove the blower motor from the area so we can easily remove this wiring harness. Now, to remove the blower motor, you're going to find that it's held in place along the side here. We need to actually squeeze on those locking tabs and pull this part down. That'll unlock it. You can see it coming down now. Once you have it pulled down, you should be able to easily turn this counterclockwise. It's going to want to drop down, and now we can start removing that wiring harness. To disconnect this electrical connector, I'm going to use a small pocket screwdriver, make my way right along the locking tab, carefully depress that, and separate this. A quick inspection of that wiring harness to make sure there's no miscellaneous corrosion on there. This looks fine. And there it is, friend. Okay, friend, it's time to install our brand new blower motor assembly. Before we go to put this in place, we want to ensure that we have the locking tab squeezed and this item pulled up and away from the blower motor. We don't want it slid down because that's the locked position. Squeeze those tabs, we'll lift it right up, and now we can install this. Slide that wiring harness out of the way. Bring this up into position. Twist this to get it locked in. Press in your locking tabs along the side here. Light tap on that. We'll double check to make sure this is properly secured in place. Continue on with your wiring harness. We're going to take this and press it in, listen for a click, a light tug to make sure it's secured. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, you just want to do one last quick inspection in the area. After that, go ahead and test the functionality by putting the key in the on position and testing the blower motor on all speeds. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.